What's up? I just did the video where I went to Menards on all that. I went to a pawn shop as well, Dixie Pawn in Florence, Kentucky. I bought a set of Milwaukee screwdrivers. These have the striking caps, the big ones do. The whole set looks like a 8-piece set, Phillips and flatway. So I got 4 screwdrivers and 4 pry bars. I'm kidding. But yeah, the Milwaukee, they feel good in the hand. Got some snap-on pliers. They feel great. And they've got the 2 settings. When you open them, you can go to the middle there. Or you can go wide. So 3 settings, I'm sorry. One there, there, and there. They're nice. Probably the nicest set of pliers I've ever owned. I saw these. Got them for 20 bucks. They look brand new. Somebody must have got a set. Never used them, pawned them. Got a Mac Tools valve stem remover, valve core remover. It's pretty cool. You never know. Got some snap-on older wrenches. Somebody had engraved their name in some of them, but I don't care. It's got some coating coming off. I know a pretty good dealer. He might swap out for me. Mac tool wrench, 21. 13/16 snap-on. What we got here? This one is a 3/4. Again, the coating coming off, but 5/8. Small little 9mm wrench. 5/16 wrench. Little Mac 1/4 inch. It looks brand new. It looks nice. I love these little wrenches. And then this, I looked this up, and it was $45 on the website. It's brand new. You give it to me for $10. What it is it locks. So you kind of like a bit driver. So you put your socket on there. It locks on. It will not come off if you're down in a hole or something. That's pretty cool. A little snap-on 1/4 inch extension. A little socket. Yes. 13mm. And then a wood impact, which is 17mm, I believe, right? Yeah, 17. So I'm just still building up the collection of tools. I just bought a brand new set of Craftsman, but I think I'm gonna take them out, put them in my other box in my other vehicle, and I think I'm gonna keep these. You can put a wrench on them too. So tool haul, all this right here was $100. The man in there was very nice. Cut me a great deal. Dixie Pawn Shop in Florence. Y'all ever get that way, or anybody who lives in that area, he has a lot of snap-on, Milwaukee, DeWalt. He was telling me he probably has more tools than anybody in the tri-state area, so if you're up that way, he'll cut you a good deal. There was a lot there. I'm gonna go back, probably not this coming, but the next weekend. He said he deals on a lot of tools, so I'm just starting a small collection of snap-on. I have a few things of snap-on and Mac. He had sets and stuff too, so thanks for watching, guys.